Do you have files on your PC that you don't want everyone seeing? Maybe you share your computer with family members, friends, or coworkers. Most people simply hide folders. But here's the problem. Anyone can click View and show hidden items, and your hidden folder instantly appears. Today I'll show you a clever Windows trick that creates a folder with no name, no visible icon, and no obvious sign that it even exists. Your desktop will look completely normal, but you'll have a secret location for your personal files. Let's get started. Windows gives you a built-in option to hide folders. Sounds great? Until someone enables hidden items. Then every hidden folder becomes visible. That means your private files aren't really hidden. They're just temporarily invisible. What we're creating today is different. Instead of using Windows hidden attributes, we're going to create what looks like an empty space on the desktop. No folder name, no visible icon, nothing that attracts attention. The folder still exists, it still works normally, and you can store files inside it. Think of it as a secret doorway hiding in plain sight. This isn't military-grade security, and it won't replace encryption. But for casual privacy, it's a fun and effective trick. Now let's create it. First, right-click anywhere on your desktop, select New, then Folder. Windows creates a normal folder. The first thing we need to remove is the name. Normally, Windows won't allow a blank folder name. If you try deleting the text and pressing Enter, you'll get an error. Here's the trick. Select the folder. Press F12 to rename it. Now hold the Alt key. While holding Alt, type 255 using the numeric keypad. Then release Alt. Press Enter. The folder now appears to have no name. Important note. This only works with the numeric keypad. If you're using a laptop, you may need to enable numlock first. At this point, the name is gone. But there's still one problem. The yellow folder icon is easy to see. Let's make that disappear too. Right-click the folder, select Properties. Click the Customize tab, now choose Change Icon. A window containing hundreds of Windows icons appears. Scroll slowly through the icon list. You'll eventually find several blank spaces. These are transparent icons built into Windows. Select one of the empty icons. Click OK, then click Apply, and finally click OK again. Watch what happens. The yellow folder icon disappears completely. Now the folder has no name and no visible icon. From a distance, it looks like nothing is there, but if you click the correct spot, the folder opens normally. Your secret folder is now invisible. Pretty cool. But we can make it even better. Here's a useful trick. Move the invisible folder into a corner of your desktop. Choose an area where you rarely click. This reduces accidental discovery. Some people place it near the edge of the screen. Others hide it against dark wallpaper sections. Experiment and find a location that works for you. Now let's make access easier. Open the invisible folder. Right-click inside it. Select Pin to quick access. Now, even if you forget its desktop location, you can instantly access it from File Explorer. The folder stays hidden on the desktop, but remains easy for you to find. That's the best of both worlds. Convenience for you, confusion for everyone else. Before we finish, there's something important to understand. Major Windows updates can occasionally rebuild the icon cache. When that happens, the folder might briefly show a normal icon again. If you notice that, simply repeat the transparent icon step. It only takes a few seconds. Also remember, this method is visual privacy, not true security. Anyone who knows this trick or scans your desktop carefully could still find the folder. For sensitive documents, passwords, or financial records, use proper encryption instead. But for everyday privacy, this invisible folder trick works surprisingly well. And that's it. You now have a folder that appears completely invisible on your Windows 11 desktop. No name, no icon, and no obvious sign that it exists. If you found this trick useful, leave a like. Subscribe for more simple Windows 11 tips and hidden features. And let me know in the comments, what's the most useful Windows trick you've discovered recently? Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.